So you're in Ireland, you're working hard, you're honing your craft, but no agent's replying to your emails. And you're starting to wonder, what am I doing wrong? Here's the thing. It's not just about your CV or your show reel. To get signed in Ireland, you need to think differently. And today, I'm going to show you how to flip the script and land an agent who truly gets you. So, three things. Number one, self-belief, your secret weapon. Irish agents can spot self-doubt a mile away. If you don't believe that you're ready, why should they? The game changer is confidence, believing that you're exactly what they need. Kira, one of my students, felt stuck in day player roles. She was doing a day here and a day there for years. After working with me and started shifting her mindset and owning her talent, she landed an agent in Dublin who started sending her for major TV roles. And she ended up getting a small part, but it was in Apple TV's foundation. And as soon as you can put that on your CV, all the casting directors now want to see you. Get the idea? Nothing changed except for her energy. If you search on my site for the Yes book, you'll begin to develop your confidence easily, and it's free. Second thing, never give up, the persistence strategy. That's the most important thing to do. Agents in Ireland, they value resilience. They need to see that you're serious. They need to feel you, not just when it's easy, but when it's tough. How do you do it? Send an email update every 3 months. Share your new headshots, recent roles, your self-tapes, anything you've got going. It shows you're growing, you're committed. You've been in a short film, let them know. Number three, networking and referrals. The Irish advantage. Ireland is all about community. Most agents sign actors through recommendations. So start building relationships in your circle. So if a director or a fellow actor knows an agent, ask for an introduction or even permission to mention their name in your email. It's like a fast track to trust. This is the fourth one, showcasing local opportunities. Agents here often scout talent at places like the Galway Film Festival. They're always at press night. Get involved in local events. It's where connections happen. When you make a connection with a person, they remember you as a human being. Now, if you want some help on this, if you want to stand out and connect more with casting directors quickly, my new program that I've written is called Cracking the Casting Director Code. It's specifically for you. It's under €40 and it's packed with actionable strategies. All you need to do is to drop me a line here, nick@nickdunning.com, and then I'll put you on the list. And to help you get further up the list, share this video with 3 friends and DM me the proof to this address, and I'll bump you 10 places up on the list. So don't wait, guys. Spots are filling super fast. And you can follow me on socials for daily tips, and let's make your acting dreams a reality. Bye now.